Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on how to tack together some aluminum coupons. So the first side, we're going to line up the way we want it, the side closest to me. And as you can see, the other side is not lined up. That is to keep it flush with the flat side of the piece on the table. Once I get that first side tacked, you can spin it around, and because this is long, we're going to tack together the middle. So you can see that I'm pulling it up and lining up those corner to corner, getting that tacked, and then we'll move on to the end to get that tacked on the inside. So I have 3 tacks. We're going to move on to the top and throw some on the top in between, some nice quick small tacks to hold it together so it doesn't open up as we weld it across. And you can see, got it tacked up nice and tight, corner to corner, for a nice open corner weld. There you go, guys. Cheers, have a good day.